Is your BT YouView box randomly switching off? You're not alone. Many users experience this frustrating issue, and understanding why it happens is the first step to fixing it. Research shows that approximately 15 to 20% of BT YouView users experience some form of unexpected shutdown behavior. This issue affects multiple generations of devices and has several root causes. There are 5 main causes of auto power-off issues. The most common is overheating, where the box's built-in thermal protection automatically shuts it down to prevent hardware damage. Power supply issues are another major cause. As the internal components age, they may not deliver adequate power, leading to unexpected shutdowns. Software glitches, including firmware bugs and corrupted system files, can also cause the system to become unstable and shut down unexpectedly. Hard drive problems are particularly common in older units. When the storage drive begins to fail, it can cause system-wide instability. Finally, poor network connectivity can stress the system, especially when the box struggles to maintain stable broadband connections for streaming and updates. Understanding your YouView box's connections and indicators can help identify which type of problem you're experiencing. The age of your YouView box plays a crucial role in power-off issues. Devices under 2 years old have only a 3% failure rate. For boxes between 3 and 5 years old, the failure rate jumps to 18% as components begin to show wear. Most concerning, boxes over 5 years old experience a 45% failure rate, making hardware issues the most likely cause of power problems in older units. Now that you understand the main causes of power-off issues, you can better identify what might be affecting your specific YouView box and take appropriate action. Remember, overheating and device age are the 2 most critical factors in YouView box power issues. Understanding these causes helps you take the right troubleshooting steps. Now that we understand why BT YouView boxes power off unexpectedly, let's fix the problem and prevent it from happening again. First, let's try the immediate solutions that fix most power-off problems right away. Step 1 is a simple power cycle. Unplug your BT YouView box for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and restart. This clears temporary glitches and resets the system. Step 2 is checking ventilation. Remove any dust buildup from air vents and ensure proper airflow around the box. Dust blocks cooling and causes overheating. Step 3 is checking all cable connections. Verify that power, HDMI, aerial, and Ethernet cables are firmly connected. Loose connections can cause instability and unexpected shutdowns. These 3 immediate steps resolve about 68% of power-off issues, according to BT's support data. Now let's prevent future power-off problems with proper setup and maintenance. Maintain an optimal environment by keeping the box below 25 degrees Celsius with at least 15 centimeters of clearance on all sides for proper airflow. Establish a regular maintenance schedule. Clean dust every 3 to 4 months, check vents monthly, and monitor for early warning signs like increased fan noise or slower response times. For software management, enable automatic updates to get the latest fixes, but monitor your box carefully after updates install. Some firmware updates can temporarily cause stability issues. Following these prevention measures reduces power-off incidents by up to 80% and extends your box's lifespan significantly.